My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Caravelle. This vehicle has done just over 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside the vehicle, we can see that we have 6 seats in total, all of which have a black leather trim. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, using the buttons on the left, we can access radio, media and smartphone integration. On the right we have eject, setup and sound. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.